And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 104. Let us go over the text on the path options. So we once again create an ellipse like we did last time. We use text on the path, hover over the edge and then left click. We get our lorem ipsum placeholder. And when you select it, so you don't even have to have the text tool, the type 2 active, you can also use the selection tool. You can see at the top we get the typical font parameters. You can set the font family, the font size, the font style. You can rotate it, but you only rotate the ellipse. What if you wanted to rotate the text on the ellipse? Well, you can see there are actually 3 of these little stripes. And the one at the bottom, when you hover over it, your cursor will change. And when the cursor has changed, you can left click drag, and this repositions this line and with it the text. So you can see this line as the center position of the text on the ellipse. And you can also left click drag on it and then drag it to the inside of the ellipse, which will make the text flip. So moving it to left and right will reposition it on the path, in this case the ellipse, and moving it outside and inside will flip it. And that works for all path elements, so for rectangles, for curved lines, straight lines, whatever you've got. You've got 2 more stripes, and here also the cursor changes. And you can see an arrow, and this actually indicates the direction. So the left-hand side can be used right here to reposition the endpoint. This actually has a reddish element so that you can easily identify it. And the other one is for the start point, and you can see, depending on where you put it, the words will be cut off and then become invisible. And just in case, if your text vanishes completely, this might be because you've pulled the start point behind the end point, like so. So if that happens, put the start point on top so that the stripe with the reddish icon is on the left, and then you can see your text again. And these are the text on the path options in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.